How to find BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded Trust Wallet app in your device. If not, you can head towards Play Store or App Store and download this app. Once completion of its download process, launch it and then create your account. Or also you can use your Face ID or Touch ID, then log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to the home page. Now over here, you'll find this section of crypto. Under that, you'll find the list of cryptos. You'll also find the option of BNB. In the case you cannot find the option of BNB, what you have to do is click on the option of Manage Crypto. Now over here, you'll find the option of BNB. Enable for it. After you toggle on for the option of BNB, you can hit back. Now click on the option of BNB. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Receive. With that, you'll find the BNB address on Trust Wallet. Now you can copy it, screenshot it or share it. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily find BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.